Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be talking about the altcoin Dogecoin. It's been a while, but I'm still in the ride with the Dogecoin price, and if you guys have not been paying attention, we have had a big bull run and a small correction very quickly, or let's just say the equally big correction as soon as the big news dropped out. You know, in crypto it's usually on rumors they decide to buy into it, on news it comes down. But keep in mind, it's not only Dogecoin, the whole market has had a small correction. But before we get more into it, if you're here for the first time, you do want to stay up to date with everything, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button right there, slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so. It'll help me and you as the YouTube algorithm will push the video to more people see the incredible side of Doge, decide to buy into it, start spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Other than that, let's get straight into it. So to begin with today's video, first of all, let's look at the 1 hour chart, and I want to show you guys some key resistance and support that Dogecoin has been testing. So if we decide to look from this point on, which is about 72 hours ago, you can see we had a huge rally up where it went from 14 cents all the way up to 18 cents, which if you do the calculation, that's close to a 30% gain in under 24 hours. And if you do not know, the major reason impacting this, or the major news impacting this, is our boy Elon Musk. He obviously gathered the shares, or 10% shares of Twitter, and he has been talking quite good of Dogecoin about Twitter and some ideas he has in the future. Now, since that big rally we have had, there has been some pullback as some people decide to take profit, but then it started recovering because there were bulls that were entering back into the market. But after that, you can see in the past 6 hours, the whole market has come down. Now, this is not Dogecoin's fault because including Bitcoin, Ethereum, anything you can name has come down. Bitcoin is testing close to 44k, Ethereum is testing somewhere near 3.3k. The same thing is happening with Dogecoin. Now, is this pullback going to send Dogecoin even lower? I personally do not think so, because there is going to be some very key important supports that Dogecoin will be testing. The first one, or the closest one right now from the Fibonacci retracement, is 14.4 cents. Now, this could be tested in the next 2 to 3 hours, or by the time you guys are watching this video. And personally, I think this is going to be a very strong support. Is if we just scroll back a little bit, you guys can see around this point, this big resistance around here, 14.14, has been tested quite a bit of times, and it has come out to be a very good situation. Now, keep in mind, when the whole market was starting to recover around this zone, Dogecoin was in a consolidation period. Now, as soon as the consolidation period broke out, the bad news for the Dogecoin holders is the whole market started coming back down. Personally, I still see that the market isn't positive. This is just some big whales trying to manipulate the market, try to get as much profit and get the new investors to exit out of the market with the fear. Now, if you decide to look at the RSI line, you can see we are nearly on an oversold zone, which is really good. I know some of you guys will be like, Sky, how is this good? Keep in mind, right now, seeing the big rally that Dogecoin had, a lot of people, when the RSI does fall below, are going to be trying to buy in. That is all the retail investors. If they do decide to buy in a heaps amount, or the whales decide to jump back in, that is obviously going to have a very positive impact on the price. So around this zone, you can see it is a clear higher high has been set, and around this point, it is clear that the lower lows just keep getting lower. So what is going to happen in the near future? It will rely on the whole market, not just Dogecoin. But if you do decide to look at the coin market cap, this is the only coin today that is still in the positive. Every single other token has turned negative, and what is crazy is the trading volume in the last 24 hours has gone up by 200%. 30%, which is 0.14 ratio or 0.30 ratio of volume to market cap, is incredible when it comes to such a big project. I personally still feel like this big pullback that we have had, it's obviously due to the whole market, but when it does decide to start climbing again, it is going to have a very positive impact on the Dogecoin price. Now, if you guys want to know the big reasons behind this, well, the first one obviously being our boy Elon deciding to go ahead and buy 10% of Twitter shares. Now, what that did is obviously buy on rumors and sell on news. When the news was popped open and everyone found out that, hey, Elon has officially bought 10%, that actually caused the market to push back. Before that, there was some rumors that he's looking into buying. It's obviously every time in crypto, buy on rumors, sell on news. That's one of the first impact. The second one is technical resistance. There was just too many resistance that were blocking Dogecoin from climbing back up due to the fact that Bitcoin, Ethereum, every single coin was doing very well, but on the other hand, let's just say Dogecoin was not doing well, so that's why it caused the spike and it actually made it even bigger. And the final one is the investors do not believe in Doge. So some people who decided to take some profit when they saw that the price of Doge has fallen so below, they decided to buy back in. Now if you decide to look on Twitter, you can see Jack, who's the official, let's just say, founder of Twitter. He decided to go ahead and tweet out saying, "I'm really happy Elon is joining the Twitter board. He cares deeply about our world and Twitter's role in it. Purge and Elon both lead with their hearts and they will be incredible to the team." And Elon said, "Thanks, Jack." Now what's really interesting is Elon could officially go ahead and change the Twitter logo to a dog. If that happens, that will be insane. If that happens, that will crazily, I would not be surprised if it sends the price of Doge over $1 overnight. That would be just incredible. But hey, he has mentioned that before, so you know Elon's pretty crazy, so something like that can happen. Now, as you guys can see in this article, so Dogecoin started climbing back up, but Bitcoin, because of the US equities, all of the problems that's been set on the crypto market, it is starting to come back as a lot of people got scared and decided to take their money out. That's one of the reasons why Doge also had a pullback. Trend Study says Dogecoin is the most Googled cryptocurrency in the US. You need to understand, US is a big country and also has so many states. At the same time, there is a lot of cryptocurrencies that people could be looking into. Bitcoin, Ethereum, but Dogecoin is the most searched one, and this is from a reliable source. It is from bitcoin.com, which is just insane. I'm personally very happy to mention that, being one of the longest followers of Dogecoin. Now if we decide to look at the 4-hour chart, it will give you a little clearer indication in terms of what happened. So realistically, where we were is initially where we came back to. So this rumor building up, that was that Elon's going to go ahead and buy into Twitter. Then when the news dropped, it literally just came back to where it was, and it is testing the same support again. I just wanted to show you, and it's very clear to see why Dogecoin price consolidation could result in an explosive rally, and that has already happened. So if it does stay above the 13.7 mark, it could trigger a 35% ascent to all the way 20 cents, which I still feel like is true, and it could be happening very time soon. Now if you have been a long time Dogecoin follower, let me know down in the comment section. Also, what do you guys think will happen in the near future with the Dogecoin price? If you ask me, I feel like Elon's gonna have some big plans when it comes to changing some things inside of Twitter, and also could have some leaks and tweaks towards the Dogecoin price. But this out of the way, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.